Welcome back, folks, to another Feet&Co video. Folks, especially parents, guardians and kids, Intoeing is common in my practice, and it really led me to write up, plan, shoot and edit this video, because as a parent myself, when you see your child, anyone in your social circle, walk with their feet Intoeing, you get a little bit concerned. So in this video, I will show you a simple workout that anyone from 1-year-old to 1,000-year-olds can do to help correct their Intoeing and restore better equilibrium to their walking, running and jumping. Let's go. Cue the intro. Alright folks, thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions and comments, then please drop them in the comments below the video. And also, if you're finding the content relatable, enjoyable and insightful, then let's stay in touch by you punching that subscribe button and then tapping on that bell button next to it to stay in the know when new content arrives. Now, do you know why your child or you walk with Intoeing or pigeon toes? The three main reasons are metatarsus adductus, internal tibial torsion and increased femoral anteversion. Now folks, this is not a why and how video. There's plenty of it on Google and YouTube. However, I'll link an article that I wrote a while ago that will go through Intoeing. This video is about taking action, damn it. We need to take action to make change. Now the first action I request you do is to obviously watch and enjoy this video. Take notes if you need to. The second action is to make an appointment with your local podiatrist who specialises in children so that they can assess the extent of Intoeing. Because the truth is, the extent of Intoeing is, if it's quite severe, on imaging and physical assessment, then surgery is a possibility. However, I understand that you may not want that or may not be comfortable with that. So that's why I go see your local podiatrist. And the third action is to apply this simple exercise circuit for about 15 to 20 minutes a day. If you're an adult, add this to your exercise workout as a warm-up. If you're a busy parent, then you have my permission to act like a kid and make this fun and interactive workout with your children, okay? Oh, and it's spending quality time with your children, by the way. Remember, the goal of this workout is to strengthen hip and thigh muscles to encourage more hip outward rotation and reduce hip inward rotation, thereby reducing Intoeing. Okay, so here is the program which I call the penguin workout. Didn't really think a name for it, did I? Anywho, it's called the penguin workout. I know why. Because penguins walk with their feet outwards. Okay, this is the workout. First exercise is called big bear walks. Number 2 is sumo frog jumps. Number 3 is cheeky crab walks. And number 4 is the penguin walk. Now I want you and your kids to do this workout about 5 or 10 repetitions as a progressional circuit. They will repeat this circuit at least 3 to 4 times. Now of course I'm going to demonstrate this workout. But firstly, prepare the training area. Outdoor, grass, soft surface areas with markers to map out a course. The great thing is that your course can be straight or with turns, whichever fits well with your home or outdoor area. Make it interesting. Once set up, then you can proceed. Okay, number 1, big bear walks. So just like a bear or a dog that is walking around on each of their hands and feet with bum up to encourage better core work and more outward rotations of the hip. Number 2, sumo frog jumps. Start off standing like a sumo wrestler and with your child's toes and kneecaps pointing outwards. Lower the body downwards like a squat and then spring up for a frog forward jump. Number 3, cheeky crab walks. Position yourself in an inverted body bridge position or reverse plank with hands flat on the floor and step using your heels and toes pointed outwards. Crab walk back and forth. Number 4, penguin walk. The best and easiest and last, hence the workout name. Okay, in this exercise, position yourself with toes and kneecaps pointed outwards, and just like a penguin walks, sway your body side to side to improve momentum to help you walk. By the way, it's easy to walk on your heels with the toes pointed out. Now what do you think, folks? I really thought that was a pretty good video, don't you think? Now, folks, I'd love for you to share you and your family's playtime doing the penguin workout on my Instagram by tagging my Insta name at the Foot Mechanic and hashtag it with Feet&Co. Okay, that's it for me in this video, but if you have any questions and or comments, post them below and I'll get to them replying ASAP. Thank you so much for watching this video and I appreciate your time. Oh, and don't forget to check out my recent video about the terrible night cramps. I think you'll need it to help your flexibility for the penguin walks. Just saying. Folks, walk smarter, not harder. I'll see you next video.